today I'm doing my tinies, and I have 21s and my 12-sided die. 5, 5, 8, 6, 6, 11, 1, 7, 2, 12, 12, 2, 6, 9, 6, 9, 12, 1, 1, and 10. Okay, let me grab them. I'm gonna start with 12. So 12 is from Lil's World 733, and I got 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, and 3. And then I'm on 7. I don't know what happened. 7 is from Mindy's Budgeting, and it got $1. And then, oops. Okay. 8 got $1, and it's for me. It's one of my puppies. And number 9 is This the Season from Game and Grandma Budgets, and I only needed $1. So this one's done. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'll have to find my minis and put a new one. And then this one's Mindy's Budgeting, and it got $1. And then number 11 is from Let It Be Budgets, and I got 1 to finish it. So 5 and 1, 6 from Let It Be Budgets. And then I have these all backwards. Number 1 is from Mindy's Budgeting. And it got 1, 2, 3. And it only needs 2. So 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Mindy's Budgeting. And then 2 is from Lil's World 733. And it got 1, 2. And then 3 didn't get any. I'm gonna put in these 2 because they're extra. So 1, 2, and this one is from Money Boss in the Making. So 1, 2, 3. Four didn't get any. It was for me. Anyway. And then 5 is from It's Not Too Late. And it got 1, 2. And then last up is number 6 from Omar Crafts and Budgets. And it got 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this one's done. So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let me put my book back together. So 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Oops. I really have this out of order. Well, and then I'm going to save my money from the Tinies to go into my 100 envelope and 2026 challenges. 7, 6, 5, 4, and then my internet's all messed up because, so I don't know how long these videos are going to take to upload. because, I don't know, they were doing something with the gas line and they cut the internet line. So I don't know if it's going to be out for a week like it was last time. So I'm trying to get my videos uploaded. So there's my tinies. And then, let's see. So I'm gonna save this for my 100 envelopes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I'm gonna put it in here. And that's all I have for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.